You're watching Racers and Rides Media traveling along historic Route 66.
All right, hey everybody. Day 8 of our Route 66 trip. We've had to make some change of plans, not really getting as far as we were going to. Unforeseen circumstances. I'm not really going to leave Oklahoma City. We're going to stay here another night. It is what it is. So I'm roaming around on here on 66, finding some spots to shoot, taking some cool pictures and everything. And I'm heading to an old historic bridge. And out of the corner of my eye, I see something very familiar. And those of you who are TV race fans, car fans, you'll kind of recognize to some extent the truck sitting in front of me here on the side of the road. It's not the race truck, but it is the farm truck. So I make a big U-turn, come back over here, and lo and behold, I'm in front of Farmtruck and Azn's shop here in Oklahoma City. Just never dawned on me that I would run across this place with all the things I've been doing. So for those of you who are 405 fans, who are fans of the show and Street Outlaws and all that kind of shenanigans, so here you go. Home of the farm truck. Take you up here and just show you some stuff. He's got stuff everywhere. You got stuff here on the porch. There's a call out box. You know, you gotta run, you gotta call somebody out. So unfortunately today is 4th of July, so you know, I wouldn't expect them to be here. There's a possibility I could get by here tomorrow, but I'm not sure. You may or may not be here then. But it was just cool kind of seeing it on the side of the road, and never thought I'd come by here and see this, so I saw it and thought I'd stop. Give me another quick glimpse here of some of the stuff they have here. Big 405 logo. We got a water pump. We got all kinds of stuff here. You know, got the water feature going. And so anyway, quick stop. I'm on my way. I got some other stuff going on. Thought this was kind of cool. Stay tuned. You never know what you're going to see.